Hello friends, my name is Paramveer Singh Gill and I am a digital networker. Today's topic is passive income is a trap? If you really think so, then I recommend you to watch my previous video of this series by clicking the star eye icon here. You will get into the start of this series. Okay. Now again come back to the question. If you really think so, is passive income is a trap? Then I will simply help you with a no. It is not a trap. It is not a trap. Why I am saying so? Let's dive into the topic. According to Earl Nightingale, the author of The Strangest Secret of the World, 96% of people of the world doesn't like their job. Means they doesn't like what they are doing. They simply feel themselves trapped into 9 to 5 job. If you relate me so, then it is the truth of yes, it is the truth. 96% people, they doesn't want to go to their 9 to 5 job. There are only 4% people who are actually working with their passion. They are doing what they want to do, whenever they want to do, whatever they want to do. This this is reality. Only 4% people are doing so. Means they are actually doing, they are actually not doing the job, they are actually playing. So means there is no uh, they are actually not working, they are actually uh, playing some game, they are actually enjoy the work. That's what the so that's what they are actually earning through their passion. Either their passion may be they're reading the book and uh, delivering their summaries, and either their passion may be marketing, either their passion may be selling, either their passion may be playing cricket like Sachin Tendulkar, like singing the song like Lata Mangeshkar, and they are earning from with their royalty. That is the simply. So do you think these four people are in any trap? Actually not. Actually 96% are trapped in 9 to 5 job. Now the main question here is why 96% people are in active income trap. If active income is not so good, that I have already explained in last my two videos, then why 96% people are trapped in this income plan? For that, you can see in this graph, in red lines active income or linear income plan is shown, and in yellow lines the active passive income plan is shown. Now why people trapped in active income plan? The reason is self-explanatory. Because they start getting a lump sum amount of money, that is called their salary, when they start working. At the start of their work they get start a lump sum amount of salary. But that the same doesn't happen in the contrast case, that is in passive income plan. People work very hard to generate a very minimal amount of income, that is negligible, or you can say zero income. But eventually a time will come when the passive income start growing and it crosses your active income. Now with example, you can earlier when Sachin Tendulkar plays for state level team, state level team, he's not getting money. Lata Mangeshkar, when he was practicing and she was learning uh, how to sing, she was not getting money. Chetan Bhagat, while writing his first novel, he's not getting money, not getting. But eventually when they become star, Sachin Tendulkar start getting money, Lata Mangeshkar start getting royalties, Chetan Bhagat start getting royalties. And at the at a point, this point I'm talking about, this point you can see here, when you stop working, what happened with active income plan? It start decreasing or eventually goes to zero. But active income plan, it doesn't goes to zero. The money flows comes again, money flow, cash flow doesn't stop, and income continues, and you start enjoying your life, enjoying your freedom. But in active income, once you stop working, income stop, and you get in panic situation, how you are going to pay your bill, how you will pay your expenses, that is the main. So with this you got an idea that actually passive is passive income is not a trap, it is the active income that is the trap. And where is the trap, why you get into the trap? And if you want more videos, then subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will not miss any of the video. And in the subsequent videos I will also explain which are the good sources of passive income. You doesn't need to be a star like Sachin Tendulkar or Chetan Bhagat or Lata Mangeshkar to get passive income. It is very much in your reach, and I will tell you in subsequent videos. And I will tell you other financial income sources also, that is multiple income sources. So subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.